It's a picture of you from a video when you've got all cuts in your face, and it says better with your eyes closed, and it's really weird audio.
Hello, you have reached Elaine. Just leave a message and I'll call you back. Oh my god.
Alright guys, come on. We got a call. Shh. Yeah. So Ash Vlog started sending the Discord tasks that they had to do. And if they didn't do the tasks, then they were going to get kicked out of the Discord group. So Ash Vlog just...
I'm about to check this out. Okay, guys. I'm really not sure what's going on here. Nope.
Time's up.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I died. I'm dead.
No easy mission, Knight. Now, have a more effective.
Get ready.
Is that your wrist?
Yes.
Lock the doors up.
Hello.
And literally 30 seconds after we sent that video, someone called Dylan's phone.
Ooh, and a new one. Should I be one or the other? How about both?